Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. And so let's dig a little deeper today, Capricorn. Let's see how your partner's truly feeling now, how you're feeling, and what your mutual energies are, how your energies are aligning now. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's start with our angel blessing card and let's see what advice, blessing, guidance or message there is for you from the angels first. And then we'll start your tarot. So my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn, please. This one. All right, thank you. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Capricorn, is emotions. So somebody is dealing with some very heavy emotions here, Capricorn, feeling emotionally disturbed maybe, or going through some heaviness, right, where your emotional life is concerned. So let's see why that is. Let's keep this card here and see what these heavy emotions are all about. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support that you're sending to the channel. Thank you for all your comments, your likes, your shares, and your love. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of our Omkara family. We welcome you in. So newbies, let me explain this to you. I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your partner, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. Of course, for the duration of the reading, I, from my end, will be calling this side person A, this side person B. You know your own stories, you'll know which side you're on, right? In the center, have your mutual energies. And yes, Capricorn, if any of you are looking for a private reading, my schedule is open. You can email me. My email is in the description box below. So yes, communication is the underlying energy of this reading, Capricorn. Either you're waiting for some communication or you guys are communicating. I don't know. Let's see. Let's put this card here. But communication in one way or the other is affecting your energy right now. So the first card I have here is the Knight of Wands for person A, Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, the Empress, Ten of Swords, and the King of Cups. Okay. Person B has the Three of Pentacles in reverse, the Two of Cups, Page of Wands, yes, lack of communication here, Fool, Ten of Cups, and the Temperance card. Healing from something heavy here, Capricorn. From person A's energy, I feel somebody felt that their partner was inconsistent, maybe was being a bit immature, was not stepping up to the plate, or maybe being a player, I don't know. Something kind of has stagnated in this equation now, where one partner has kind of lost that passion and drive towards this relationship. The person A doesn't want to now kind of move forward or have any growth in this relationship, or maybe they feel disrespected in some way and they feel this is totally over. They feel their partner was probably emotionally closed off or never really revealed their true emotions, or maybe emotionally manipulated them. On person B's side, they also feel, yes, things are really not working together. But they do have a lot of love for their partner. They feel this was a soulmate connection. You know, we were destined to meet. We were so happy together. But right now there is a lack of communication, or they've been waiting for a message which hasn't come yet. They're waiting for this, to re-begin or restart or take a leap of faith. And begin again with their soulmate, I think, but that message that they've been waiting for hasn't come, which is making them feel very, very emotionally overwhelmed. And this person B is healing right now because they haven't probably heard from their partner. So, before I begin clarifying these cards, Capricorn, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards to get the ball rolling here. So, spirit of the feminine in this equation had to say something to the masculine. What would that be? Feminine to the masculine. Thank you. And masculine to the feminine, spirit? Masculine to the feminine. Okay. And I'm going to take some confession cards as well, Capricorn, to see what the real issue is here. Capricorn and their person, spirit. Capricorn and their person. One more card. It's too many. Just one, spirit. One card. Thank you. All right, we're all set to go now, Capricorn. Let's get on with the reading. The first card says, you're much more attractive to me when you're empowered rather than when you feel you're insecure. So maybe one partner feels that they want their partner to be, that emperor or empress, and feel like not be insecure and not stepping up to the plate. They maybe like a partner who can take control of the relationship and be like the powerful partner that they maybe have always wished for. They say you're much more attractive to me when you're empowered rather than when you're insecure. Second card says, I imagine the type of person you'd want to be with, and that person is nothing like me. Yes, but the other partners, I think, probably are realizing that my partner requires somebody who's on their level maybe, or empowered, and they also know when they imagine what kind of partner their partner would want, they realize that they are not on that level maybe, or they feel insecure, or they feel that they're not good enough. There's insecurity, there's a question of feeling unworthy on one person's part, which the other person is acknowledging and saying, like, I want somebody empowered, not somebody who's always feeling insecure. I have never experienced a love and a connection like this before. Please don't give up on me. I wish you would tell me how you really feel so I don't have to get readings on you. Yeah. So, yes, this is a relationship which is not going anywhere at the moment, it seems. Both on different pages. I let my temptations get the best of me. I got sidetracked. Maybe somebody in their insecurity did something, now they're regretting it. I realize that I do want you in my life. Is it too late? The last card here says, it was just not the right time for us. Maybe there were things going on in your personal lives which were, affecting this connection. And one person is saying, maybe that was not the right time. Please wait for me. I have realized that I want you in my life. Is it too late? So let's see what's going on for person A's side. Knight of Wands, spirit. Knight of Wands. Yes, person A, who could be the feminine, I don't know, but one energy here, person A's energy feels that their partner was inconsistent, they were insecure, they were immature, and they created illusions which were not authentic. Almost like feeling my partner tricked me into believing something which wasn't there. Okay, this is what person A's thoughts are. Knight of Pentacles, and now I think this relationship has stagnated or has come to a halt now, because they have realized that their partner is not empowered. King of Pentacles in reverse. They feel their partner is not grounded, they're not, they can't give to the connection the way they want, the way one person's expectations were. They feel the partner didn't level up. And now I think they've kind of lost their passion. It's just like this card said, I find you more attractive when you're empowered. I think person A has kind of lost their attraction now, or lost hope in this connection after realizing that my partner is not leveling up to my expectations. Yes, they realize that, now they have to make a choice, even though maybe there was passion here, there was attraction here initially, but I think now they've made a decision here. So either they've left their partner out in the cold and abandoned them, or maybe they've been feeling like that for some time. Whatever happened here, this Empress now has realized there's no future forward movement possible. There is no growth, there is no abundance, there is no security, there is no forward movement here. Person A is kind of feeling that it's over, or they have to put it to rest. The Empress spirit in reverse. Yes, I think this Empress is the one who's kind of stopping this relationship now and saying, I've made my decision, I can't do this anymore. According to person A, they feel it's over. They feel maybe their partner was emotionally just manipulating them, was probably a bit selfish, maybe were out for their own needs, and they feel it's over. What's the Six of Pentacles, Spirit? Six of Pentacles? Six of Pentacles. Yes, I think person A was not happy with the give and take in this relationship, and that's what I think they were looking for a partner who they could have equality with equal give and take. And because maybe this when they realized, I think their partner was only emotionally playing with their emotions, this kind of stressed this person out, and they started to feel, what am I doing, right? They started feeling that maybe this is not going to work out. I'm not sure whether I'm making the right decision here. They went through sleepless nights, and I think they decided to drop this burden. I think they're dropping something which they feel has no more potential now. Let's see person B. Person B has the Three of Pentacles in reverse. What's that, Spirit? Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles in reverse. They know now whatever memories have been created are not the best, right? They are still kind of thinking about the past, even though they wanted a decision to be made. Maybe they are now realizing that maybe there is no working together. This person B is kind of feeling quite rejected. They're feeling sad. They're feeling neglected. They are kind of depressed at the moment, I would say, because person A has made a decision now. They've made a choice that they no longer want to work with person B anymore. Two of Cups. Two of Cups. Yes, they are waiting for that. They are so they feel a very strong soulmate connection with person A. They do want to have something stable and solid with person A. They want to take a fresh leap of faith. They're hoping and wishing that we can just kind of start all over again from scratch if possible, because they feel I really love person A a lot. But till now, I don't think they've received any message, or maybe they have to send a message. There is a lack of communication on both ends. Person B really wants clarity. They want communication. They want to start this fresh life with their partner. The Fool is here again. They see their partner as very, very loving, beautiful, intuitive, caring, but that Right now, there is no signs of reconciliation as I can see. There is no message that's been received. What's this Fool card, Spirit? What's this Fool card? Yes, this person is feeling totally disempowered at the moment. Just as this card was saying, this person feels I have no more power in the situation. I can't force anyone to get back to me or message me or whatever. As much as they're wishing for a new start, they know it's not in their control to have that clarity or have a reunion right now. Person B is emotionally very, very sad and upset at the moment. They feel they've been dropped. Yes, they feel they've been dropped, and somebody's put an end to this relationship. They definitely want to communicate. Yes, what do they want to say, Spirit, here? They want to communicate with their partner that they see them as their happily ever after. They see them as their perfect spouse. They want them in their life for the rest of their life. They want to heal the situation now. They want to bring balance into this relationship. But I think there's already been some major conflict here. And if there's been a conflict between the two of you, person B wants to come out of this stuck position with person A now. They really want to heal the situation, bring balance back into this connection, and hoping that we can begin again. Okay, so I have two energies here. One person has lost hope in their partner, has kind of given up on the connection. I have another energy here who is realizing now that they've been dropped, and they can't force their partner to kind of do or say anything, but wishing for communication, trying to communicate, wanting to tell their partner that, hey, I'll do better, I love you, and can we start again? Let's heal the situation between us. So your mutual energies are Justice in reverse, 10 of Pentacles, and the 5. Okay. So this, maybe one or both of you are feeling that this is not a balanced relationship. There's a lot of one man up ship. One person is always trying to kind of play the other to feel better. It's always my way or the highway, and maybe you guys have had conflicts regarding that, where one person always feels like they have to have the upper hand. So that's the reason this is. Yes, maybe pride and ego issues are there as well. Because of pride and issue, these conflicts have happened, and this relationship is not seeming very balanced at the moment. The way things are going, Capricorn, right now I see an ending to this relationship, because normally when I see the Death card, I would say, hey, big transformations coming to your life. But when I see you paired with the 10 of Pentacles in reverse, it means long term is a bit difficult here right now. Yes, somebody's trying to see whether not very happy. Somebody is not very happy at all the time, effort, and energy spent on this equation, because they are disappointed in their investment. They feel, what's the point if it's never going to fructify or give me the harvest that I desire? I think somebody is really letting this relationship go and saying, this is not worth my time anymore. There is no future that I see here. 5 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. Yes. There is a feminine energy here, Capricorn, who see their partner as somebody who is immature. They see their partner as somebody who never takes responsibility for their actions, maybe is a sort of a player, in and out energy, never kind of really stepping up to the plate. They feel their partner always makes promises and never delivers. So I think this feminine has now picked up her sword to say, hey, listen, if that's the way it's going to be, I'm making a head over heart decision. Let's not work on this connection anymore. I'm not willing to put in any more work in this connection. I'd rather be single, happy, and abundant on my own. Right? So that's what's going on here, Capricorn. even though somebody is hoping and wishing for some communication for long-term potential here, I don't think right now things are up in the air. I won't say it's over, but yes, somebody is seriously contemplating that I don't want to work on this connection anymore, even though their partner is now feeling the loss and hoping to rectify the situation. So yes, deep emotions are in play at the moment, Capricorn. That's all I have for you. It'll be a different outcome for all of you. But wish you the best. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.